So confidence is actually a huge part of my program and how I work with clients. And confidence is basically one of the reasons why I'm in front of you today. If I didn't have the issues that I had with confidence, I wouldn't have went down the path of personal development. I wouldn't have crafted this life, and I wouldn't be here. So how many people here can think of a time in their life where confidence either played a really negative role or positive role? Positive? How many positive? How many negative? That's a double-sided coin, right? How many people here have strategies that they employ to help build their confidence? Couple hands. How many people wish they had strategies to help build their confidence? I mean, me, I could always use some. So I hope we can learn some of those today. But if I was to think back on a moment in my life where confidence played a severely pivotal role, I'd go back to probably 2003 and all the way to 2007, 2008. Basically when I was an undergrad in college, a little bit after. So if you took a snapshot of my life, I seemed pretty confident. I was a collegiate athlete, so I had that inner circle of friends. I was pretty much a 4.0 student, and I completed all my homework on time. People came to me for help. I didn't really drink that much. I didn't know what drugs were. I didn't smoke. So the friends that I had seemed to be really personal and important and intimate. So my social life seemed to be, by design, the social life that I wanted. Dating, I really, cared about the person that I was with, so people didn't really see me dating a lot of people, but I had the relationships that were important to me. I seemed to have a really good, purposeful, driven life. Internally, that's a very different story. I was severely anxious about my grades, and any mark was like someone took a hammer to me. My assignments had to be done on time, because if they weren't, I would freak out. I liked helping people study, because it made me feel that they thought that I was smart. I worked out religiously. People thought that was because of soccer, I cared about fitness. But really the reality was, I hated my body. I watched everything that went into my mouth, every piece of food that I ate. I was eating tuna out of a can. People thought that was because I was really, really passionate about nutrition. When really, if I ate anything that wasn't healthy, I would beat myself up over it. I had a severe mental issue with my body image and food. People thought that my friends were intimate and close, and that's because that's what I preferred and that's what I wanted. They were that way because I feared social situations, because I always thought people were judging me, and I always thought that I was awkward. I avoided relationships because I had a severely abusive high school relationship that followed me into college. And all of these things beat me down. I was depressed all the time. I was anxious. I was not social at all. For years. For 4 years of my life, and probably before that. See, they say that you are the average of the people you hang out with. I think it's about 5. They average the 5 people you hang out with the most. The people that I hung out with the most were the voices in my head, were the critics that constantly said, why aren't you faster? Why aren't you stronger? Why aren't you smarter? Why do you get that wrong? Why do you eat that? Why are you still eating that? I can't believe you're still eating this. Look, you just ate this. You're disgusting. You're ugly. Look what they're thinking about. What you just said. You're an idiot. They're laughing at you. You didn't get invited to that party because they don't like you. So it was this constant battle with myself. And I tried to solve those voices by proving to everyone in my life that I wasn't that way. It was just a cycle. Because the greatest lie I told myself was that I could solve those voices by by proving to other people that I wasn't like that. I sought my confidence in others. And it wouldn't have mattered, like honestly, if you think about this now, it wouldn't have mattered if I was invited to the parties, or if I had the friends I wanted, or I had the relationship I wanted, or if I had the body that I wanted. Because I was hoping other people would tell me that I was good enough. So think about it in your own life. That promotion, that new job, that person you're waiting to text you back, the person that didn't call you back. Why are you allowing that to affect who you are and how you value yourself? If you seek confidence externally, you will never be confident. And once I started telling myself that I am good enough, I became confident. And my life changed. So humor me for a second. Repeat after me. I am enough. One more time. I am enough. Thank you guys so much for listening to my story.